Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and in today's video I'm really excited to share with you the Multipick 6-pin dimple practice set. I think this is going to be a really great set for someone to start to hone their skills when it comes to picking dimple locks. I'm really looking forward to unboxing this and sharing my initial impressions, and I think this is going to be a really great tool moving forward for me to be able to make some great content on dimple locks. So let's get started with the unboxing right now. Alright, so let's open this up and take a look. So this is going to be a really cool set and I'm really looking forward to it. Alright, so looks like it has some sort of styrofoam that we can just push out of the box here. And let's take a look. Alright, so looks like we get a key. Then we're going to get some tweezers. And they do look curved. I don't know if you can see this in the video, but that is really nice because that will make it so it can grab the pins much easier. So some proper pinning tweezers, really excited by that. We have the lock itself, which is really beautifully machined, and you can really see in there very well. And this is the side where you can't see the cutaway. And then when we flip over, look at how cool that is. Let's see how well the key operates the lock here. Works very well. And you can see the color-coded key pins on the inside. And then, one of the really exciting parts is these locks can be quite difficult to take apart, but they come top-loaded. So you're going to be able to use your Allen key and take each grub screw out, and you'll be able to gut this lock in no time and be able to pin it however you like. So looking at the cutaway side, this looks like it's coming pinned with some spool drivers in there. It looks like a barrel, so it has some really cool security pins as well. And then you can also practice on the non-cutaway side, and I'm going to presume it's going to be keyed the same so that you'll be able to have a working key on both sides. And one actually interesting feature too is it does give you the screw so that if you did find a door that you can install this into, in the United States, sometimes some storm doors you'll be able to fit these into. That'd be pretty cool because you'd be able to mount this and practice like it were in the field. And then one of the best parts is the kit itself. You're going to have a really wide array of security pins. I'm seeing some serrated pins, some spool pins, different sized key pins, springs, and a few extra grub screws. So from an initial impression, this kit really does look like it has everything you need. You have one key to practice with, multiple different key pins, multiple different security pins, a really well machined lock. And I think this is going to be a really great lock for someone to learn on. So what I want to do in the future video is I'm going to go over picking this and showing it in action. But for today, I just wanted you to be able to see exactly what the contents are of this and go over them. But I just want to say that this looks like a really comprehensive beginner set for someone that wants a really cool dimple cutaway. This is something that you can't find very easily, and this is a little bit unique to the market. If you're interested in checking this out, you can go onto Multipick's site, and I'll put a link to this item. So I just want to say thank you to everyone that was able to check out this unboxing of the really cool Multipick 6-pin dimple practice lock set. I just want to say that I look forward to being able to use this in the future and being able to make more content with it. I do feel like this is going to be a really great tool for me to be able to make some great how-to demonstrations. If you're interested in picking up this product, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link to it in the video description below so you can find it very easily. And also I was given a discount code to share with everyone for 10% off, which is MPINFHLP23. I'll place that in the video description below as well. I do not know how long that code will be running for, but it is active now, and I look forward to everyone being able to share in the comment section below if they've ever tried this lock, if they're interested in trying it, and what their thoughts are. And I hope to do very shortly a video of me using this, picking it open so you can get a great demonstration video. But either way, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for checking this out. If you have any questions or suggestions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day.